There are people, of course, who are freshers from different engineering or pure science or even other background, actually has a hype of learning data science and join this data science domain. But the question they have is, where do I start from? Right? Because it's every day it's changing. What would be your suggestion? Because today people come and ask, are you teaching LLM? Are you teaching Gen AI? A question is, even if you haven't started basic statistics, mathematics, and computer science, you are trying to keep your feet up. So my question to you would be like, with this all changes and fast changing world, what would be your suggestion to them?
Whether are you 100% strong in your fundamental and your basic physics knowledge and mathematical knowledge. Why? Because I am not hiring a person to build an application about that. I'm hiring a person to build a core. I would say the fundamental is not going to change. I'm not going to ask you anything from LLM. I'm not going to ask anything from machine learning or anything. I'm going to ask generally from the data angle, when a data is like this, what type of approaches you will take. If you pick one model, why? And I know exactly for what type of data, what type of model will work, right? So I look for that clarity. How internally a model works is more important to know, because you're drawing an inference and giving to a healthcare professional who is taking your advice, and end of the day it is going to be a problem. That's not good. Understand basically how this model works, then you take a prediction out of it and come out and tell. Next thing is, it is easy to get a job putting LLM, machine learning and everything in your resume, but surveying in the job requires your basic analytical skill set, that is spreadsheets.